Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. Today we install running board for 2013 Mercedes ML350. Also, we did the replacing Android mirror. Basically, we replaced the mirror to another mirror with the original mounting for ML. That's for the DVR, and as you can see, that's the main menu of the unit with navigation, and it's Android, so you can go to your favorite apps. You can use Google Maps, and you can use offline maps too. And that's the recording device for the front camera. It's a DVR with ADAS, advanced driving assistance system. If you're interested to get these type of units in your Mercedes, Audi or BMW, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website 4x4shop.ca and you can order them online. Thank you and have a great day.